Hi, welcome to the demo videos for the Pathwave Test Executive for Manufacturing Software, or PTEM. In this video, let's look at parameterization. Parameterization is the process of taking an input or output parameter of a test step and moving it up to its parent step or test plan. This allows the parameter to be accessed at a higher level environment. Multiple test steps can share one parameterized input, making it easier for you to update the parameter for those test steps. In our test plan for this demo, we got two test groups. Each of the test group holds a set of test steps which measures a specific color wavelength for the LEDs on the UUT. Here we have the test steps for the red color LEDs. And here we have the test step for the green color LEDs. Measurements from the LEDs of the same color are usually similar if the parts are identical. So logically, we use the same set of test limits on all the test steps of the same color. But to set the test limit into every single test step will be time-consuming and unproductive. So by parameterizing the limits onto the parent test step, we can consolidate them into a single location, making it easier in updating the values for multiple test steps. Now let's parameterize the minimum and maximum limits of the test steps onto the parent step. Select the test step that you want to parameterize. Right-click over the minimum value. Select Parameterize on Parent. Do the same for the maximum value as well. Now both limits are now parameterized onto the parent step. When we update the value on the parent test step, all the child steps will be updated to the new value as well. So with the parameterization, we can now update the parameters of multiple test steps in just one single location. To unparameterize any of the steps, simply select the step, go to the value, right-click, and select Unparameterize. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope you find it informative and useful. Do check out the other videos to learn more about what PTEM can do for you. Thank you for watching.